we're going to check our audio MIDI setup to make sure that we got it right. So we'll go to Finder and Applications, and then come to all the way down to the bottom to Utilities. And here you will see something that says Audio MIDI Setup. Now I keep mine, I've dragged it over here, and it's here on my sidebar, so I always have quick access to it. But you can get to it either way. So you can just double click on Audio MIDI Setup, and that'll bring this up. Now, if this is not the window that you're seeing, you go to Window, and you can show audio devices, show whatever. Right now, we're looking at the MIDI Studio, which is what you want to see. You don't want to see the audio stuff. This is what you want to see. So now you should have your MIDI module here, and now mine is 8. Yours is only going to be 5 or whatever it is. And then to get these connections, you'll click on the plus sign and add a new device. And let's just do that just for shits and giggles. Okay. And now we have a new external device that pops up right here. So you double click on that, and a little window comes up here. Now you can rename that whatever you want to rename it. V-Drums, if you want. And then you want to select whatever channels that's going to use. You can select them all. You can just select ones. What it transmits on, what it receives on. So once you have all that done, then you apply that. Right now, we'll make sure 10 is send and receive, because that's generally what's used for drums. And click Apply. Okay, now this says we can close this up here. Now this says V-Drums. Now, whichever port on your MIDI thing that you have let's take this, and we're going to get rid of that. Let's just say you have the drums on port 5. So you drag a cable from here all the way down to here. Okay, and then you can go right back and drag a cable back to here. And now you've made that connection. Now this will allow the rest of your computer to see that this is what your MIDI configuration is. Okay, so, and you can name these whatever you want, however many MIDI channels you want, whatever you need to do to make that happen. Okay, so let's get out of the audio MIDI setup now. Okay, and we're going to end this video, and we'll start the next section.